Hi Gemini, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for February 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also going to dive into this love oracle in the Valentine month. Geminis, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of January 2022, stepping into February, we have the Three of Pentacles. Possibly, you were someone who was busy with creative work or you were quite imaginative at this time. Maybe you would have also benefited if you had collaborated with others. In all likelihood, there were minor gains which were there in the offing for you. Obstacles to overcome this month, or the challenges that February is going to pose for Geminis, is the Ace of Pentacles. I think you may be challenged when it comes to financial matters. Maybe there are some opportunities, but you should take them with a grain of salt. Emotionally, I think it may not be your best period. Communication is also going to increase at this time. Possibly you're also someone who needs to take urgent action in situations. Sometimes you're also being asked to be patient when it comes to opportunities. Influences for this month, we have the Knight of Cups here. Like I said, you should not get embroiled in unnecessary arguments. Maybe you're also going to assume too much. So this could make you a bit temperamental or emotional and even flustered. Sometimes, you may also feel that your point of view is sidelined within the family, or that it's not given importance to what you say, while your sibling or another person seems to have the upper hand. Maybe you feel that there's bias within the home front. You do want your parents to be just and you want them to be reasonable with you. Maybe you should also spell it out. What is it that you're doing for the family's financial position? I think you want to do all the tasks in a systematic manner. You want to go step by step. You're also quite quick and you want to plan things, but then others around you may feel that you're quite erratic. There'll definitely be clients this month. Maybe there's also going to be a situation in a relationship where one person wants to come in to help resolve issues, but then the status quo is being maintained. The first 10 days of February, we have the Death card here. Change is definitely in the offing in these first 10 days, but you shouldn't resist the change that is there. Like I said, this month you could be compelled to attend to pressing matters. There are going to be gains as well. But then, Geminis, it would be prudent to take whatever comes your way rather than be too demanding or rather than expecting too much. Sometimes settling for less than expected is the way forward. Nevertheless, I think in these 10 days, your tasks will be done one after the other. You will carry on the way you want. As a leader of the pack as well, I think you are going to put unruly workers in their place. Maybe you should also have a heart-to-heart talk with the management or the administrator and expose the antics of a rival who is always out to put you down or who's always out to sabotage your interests. Maybe this rival is also quite threatened because you're quite competent. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th February, we have the Queen of Wands. I think this is a very magnetic personality, so certainly you're coming across as someone who is going to have your fair share of admirers. You're going to be someone who is going to give the silent treatment in relationships, or sometimes, you could also give the person who is provoking you a piece of your mind. This is a very creative energy. Maybe the work environment could also be a bit stifling, and this could leave you exasperated. I think Geminis, in these days, you should seek divine intervention. Maybe some people will let you down, but then everything will fall in place eventually. Maybe family members also expect you to use your contacts, but you may be a bit reluctant, though you will play ball eventually. Incidentally, in these days, I'm also picking up that estranged people may want to renew contact with you. Maybe they want to thrash out issues with you. Whatever it may be, I think Geminis, this month, despite the roadblocks or the limitations, you will complete a lot of tasks. The final days of February, we have the Judgment card. As you sow, as you reap, that is karma is at play here. We also did clarify Judgment, and we have the Two of Wands here. I think you will be concerned about money matters here. Maybe there's boredom in the job, or you want remuneration as per the way you put in the effort. You also desire clarity with respect to how you should proceed in life, or how you should proceed with respect to professional matters. Maybe you should work on your relationship with your mother as well. I think someone is also going to be generous towards you when you need money. Maybe you should ask the person or reach out to this person. Money is something which could come in, so it could surprise you. In hindsight, you think you needn't worry about the situation. Basically, in this time, you will negotiate and have your way while dealing with clients, reunions, or shopping trips also on the cards. Maybe you're shopping to buy that gift for your Valentine. With respect to your love life, I have this card. Look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as the ocean. I think romancing Geminis, you be rest assured that this person is deeply in love with you. This is a very profound message here. Like I said, there'll be your fair share of suitors, even from the opposite sex. Maybe you are going to disregard them. Possibly someone who is wooing you also feels that you could return to your ex. Maybe this person thinks that he didn't go overboard. You definitely enjoy the attention. Perhaps this person is also like the knight in shining armor in your life. For some Geminis, I'm also picking up that maybe a suitor will keep his ego aside because he has deep feelings for you. That is why it says here that my love for you is as deep as the ocean. Incidentally, another card in this reading is Blindside. Maybe you are going to ignore this suitor even though this person sets your heart aflutter. I think you will realize the limitations about this relationship. Those of you who are crushing on someone, I think you will want to reach out to this person in this romantic month, but then you will keep away. Maybe you realize that it's not right to be too persuasive. That is why you feel ignored in this connection. Nevertheless, I think love is on your mind. Maybe you will also get insight with respect to a love connection this month. There are going to be those dreams. Sometimes, your beloved or your person could also be very communicative, and other times he could be quite closed off. Maybe you believe that there's a wall between the two of you which you need to pull down. That is why this card Blindside has come up in your reading. You want answers from this person, but you think there's always a distance that creeps in. Those of you who are married, I think your person is someone who is going to assist you, but you may also feel that your partner is quite demanding. 111 is the next card, or the message from the universe. Your thoughts are going to come true, or they are going to take shape this month. We also have this card Eyes, which says revealing. Possibly certain things are going to be revealed to you. Maybe you will understand who is anti you this month, or you will understand that who is going to support you in your hour of need. The last card in this reading, Geminis, is Clouds, which talks about shape shifting. The clouds are always changing form, so maybe this month you should also be open to transforming yourself. Maybe you should change your hairstyle, change your dressing sense, come across as someone who is quite attractive. Maybe you will display a different persona this month. But then that doesn't mean that you forget who you are at the core. I hope Geminis, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.